Welcome CSE Project Learning Group. Today I will talk about in this video for conditional execution in Python. This is part 1. This video agenda is first one is what is conditional statement or execution. Second one, how is it work, and third one, type of conditional statement, and next if statement and if else statement. Okay, I am go to this session. First one is what is conditional statement or execution. Conditional execution. Conditional statement in Python perform different computation or action depending on whether a specific boolean constraint evaluate to true or false. Conditional statement are handling by if statement in Python. And next one is and how is it work now? The program evaluate the text expression. First, the program evaluate for the expression, and next and will execute statement only if the text expression is true. Otherwise, if the text expression is false now, the statement is not execute. It is called as conditional statement or conditional execution. Next, this is type of if conditional statement, and the Python divided 5 type of conditional statement that are show for in this slide. First one is if, it is called if statement. Second one is if else, it is called if else statement. Third one is if else, it is called as elif statement. And fourth one is nested if, it is called nested if statement. And final one is switch case, it is called switch case statement in Python. And next one is if statement. If statement, how is it work? That text expression, this is for text expression. This text expression true only, the statement is execute. This body of if is execute. Otherwise, this is false now, the exit in the if condition. In this if condition, execute for false now. And syntax, if statement, this is if statement syntax. If expression means a greater than b or a is equal to b, someone's. And next one is statement. Statement means print and printed statement, it is called a statement. And next one is if else statement. How is it work? The text expression, this text expression true now, statement 1 is execute, or this text expression false now, statement 2 is execute. This is a flowchart show for this. Start, the program is start, and this program flow is first going for text expression. This text expression is true now, going for the body of if, or false, otherwise this false now go to body of else. It is called as if else statement. And syntax of if else statement, that is if someone expression and someone statement 1, and next else and statement 2. It is only one expression, it is have for only one expression. I am given some exercise for this if condition statement, and this I am open for Python script mode in Python. So I am create for 2 value, that is a is equal to 10 and another one is b is equal to 20. I am create for these 2 variable, declare in the top. And next check for if condition. I am using for if this expression, that expression is a greater than b, and using for final of if colon and hit enter. Next, this condition is true or false now. Some statement is show, so I'm created for this statement. Print A is big. And next I am create for next one condition, that is if A B greater than A. B greater than A. Next, this condition true or false now. Execute some statement. So I am create for one statement. Print. You are created for more than if condition or one coding. So I am created for two if conditional statement. And next B is big. I am closes for this quotation and close this bracket. I am print for that is run for this coding. I am run this coding. First you have save this coding and next I am print this coding. You press F5 in your keyboard. F5 is run shortcut. This is run. This show for B is big. Why now? This A is 10 and B is 20. If A greater than B, I am check for in this place A is big value and B is small value. It is right? Not right. Why now? A is 10 but B is 20. So this condition is false. Though so this if statement condition is execute for this coding and check for another if. That if is B greater than A. Check for this A and B value. A is 10, this is small, and B is 20, this is big. So this if statement is true. So print B is big. True only this statement is execute. Otherwise this is exit of this coding, if coding. And next one is I am change for this two value, that is this A is equal to 30. I am check for again this statement. First save your coding, that is Control S, and run your coding, that is F5. Run this coding, waiting. This code is run. This is show for A is big. Why now? This A is 30 and B is 20. This if condition is A greater than B. So A value is big and B value is small. So this first condition is satisfied. Print A is big. So this statement, this program show A is big. This is for if condition. The next conditional statement is if else condition statement. Okay, I'm execute for this example. So I am first created one variable, that is A is equal to 10. I am create for one variable. Next I am using for this if else condition statement. So I am using for this statement if condition, if A equal to 10. This equal to symbol is using for check for the same value on the variable. So A is equal to 10. This condition is true now. Execute for this print statement. I am create this statement. Yes, A is 10. This first condition, if condition is true now, execute for this print statement, and otherwise this A equal to false now, execute for this else statement. So I am So print no. A is not 10 and closing all. I'm save first this control S and next run this code. This condition is true now. This statement is show. This condition is false now. This else statement is show. Okay, I am run it. Press F5. This shell is open and execute this. Answer is yes. A is 10. Why now? A is 10. So A equal to 10 now. This statement is this S at A is 10 statement is show and check for next. This A is equal to 0 only. I am check for this condition. Save and again print. This next statement is print no. A is not a 10. Why now? This A is not 10. So this else condition is execute. This is a if else condition statement. This video is complete. My next video is elif statement and nested if statement. So watching my part 2 video. This is part 1 and elif and nested if statement is part 2. So watching for this continue. Thank you.